guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY Dollar Tree Glam Christmas DIY. I already said DIY, whatever. It's not going to be anything huge or fancy. It's actually going to be super quick. I didn't think I was going to do anything glam this Christmas, yet here we are. You guys know I usually stick with like the rustic farmhouse theme. That's just, you know, the style that I have in my home. Anything other than that would be broken and smeared and shattered because, you know, boys and toddler. I'm actually going out of town and I wanted to make sure I had a video for you guys, and this one is going to be super quick. I did something similar on a bigger scale last year, and so I thought I would shrink it down a little bit. If this is your first time here, I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Yeah, let's get on to the DIY. I'm going to be using 2 of these Dollar Tree Christmas trees, a set of these reindeer ornaments, a Dollar Tree sleigh, some Dollar Tree napkin rings, Dollar Tree gems, just some leftover fabric I had for my Hello Kitty DIY. They do have some towels that look just like this at Dollar Tree that are in the automotive area. I also have these little white bows. I'm sure you could find these at Walmart. I bought these for 99 cents at Goodwill. 2 Dollar Tree squared mirrors. These are glued on top of 2 pieces of foam board and wrapped in bling. And of course, my Totally Dazzled bling wrap. So I have my first step here, which was to wrap these in the bling wrap. I like it better this way. Even though this is a glam DIY, I feel like a little bit of rustic won't go bad with it. I'm showing this so you guys can decide which one you like better. I'm gonna take some strands of the bling wrap and I'm gonna wrap it around, and it's gonna be wrapped like a Christmas gift. So one like this and then one going this way. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. I cut out that fabric and I'm gonna glue it right here. So I wanted to make it look like this is snow and then going onto ice. After this, everything is pretty much self-explanatory. If you guys feel like you're missing a step, make sure you guys ask me in the comments down below. I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else.
We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the door, we got by. Falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. Hadn't counted on love for Christmas,
today. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Say bye, guys. You're so cute. Bye-bye. Say bye, Dede.